this is our experiment for physical science. What are you waiting for?
Let's go! As you can see, we have different kinds of water here. First, the cold water. Second, the warm water. And the third one is hot water. Water! We only have two ingredients for this experiment. We have water and sugar.
First, we put sugar in a cold water. Now, let's stir it.
As you can see, the sugar does not dissolve in the water. Therefore, the illusion stays.
Wow! Awesome!
Let's put some sugar in the warm water. Now, let's stir it.
So as you can see in the second experiment, in the second water, we see that the illusion dissolves slowly and also the sugar dissolves slowly, but it's very surely but very slowly.
Wow! Great!
Lastly, we put sugar in the hot water. Now, let's stir it.
So as you can see in the last experiment, which is the hot water, we can see that the sugar dissolves completely in the water and the illusions fade away, where we can see that the molecules move faster, wherein there is higher collision energy that happen.
Amazing!
Just a small recap, collision theorem is all about two particles colliding with one another, causing a chemical reaction, where two reactants and a product. Are there any relation with collision theory with our experiment?
Yes, of course!
Yes, absolutely. Because collision theorem is all about breaking down and dissolving one reactants to another, wherein we need a heater, where we have a heater and energy. And heat is one of the most example of energy, wherein in the hot water we see that the sugar dissolves completely, while in the cold water and the warm water, it slowly fades and the illusion stays.
That's all! Thank you for watching! Bye!
Tara na!
Giling-giling, 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 no, na matanaw ang aba.